Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents cooking video. Today's recipe is going to be chicken and mushroom cavatappi. It is another HelloFresh recipe, and due to time constraints and a bunch of other things that I got going on, the video format's going to be very different. I'm simply just going to get to the point. We're going to talk about the dish. We're going to talk about kind of the process and making it and stuff like that, and how the instructions were. We're going to give our review, and then we're just going to kind of, go on about our day, because I got so much going on right now, but all these videos on backlog, so we'll try to get them out and get them done to you. So just, you can see me doing the process and everything on screen, but right now we're just going to talk about what I thought about the dish, and would I get it again. So the instructions that the dish came with were pretty good, fairly easy. This was all kind of a with the exception of the noodles being cooked in a different pot, a one pot dish, or one pan dish, so to speak. I mean, chicken, mushrooms, and a creamy sauce. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard me say this before in other dishes. It's a winning combination. You just can't go wrong. I've never even had cavatappi noodles before. I don't think I've ever heard of them. I've seen them, but I didn't know what they were called. And they go perfect with this dish. They have their nice kind of thick noodle that you kind of have to cook a little longer than I'm used to when it comes to cooking noodles or whatever. But I mean, it was great. If I ever see this dish on HelloFresh's menu again, you better believe I'm gonna pick it, because I mean, it was just really good dish, and very easy to cook too. And that's another thing too. Like the big part about HelloFresh is not only just the cost, and depending on the size of your family, how it can be a little more cost effective, but ease. Having all that stuff kind of prepackaged and just set up for you to use, it really makes things a lot easier, at least in my opinion, because, I love to cook and freestyle and do what I want to do, but it's nice to be able to kind of have a guide every now and then to just make things easier. So absolutely get this dish if you are deciding to try HelloFresh. It was absolutely worth it, and I would 100% pick it again. Otherwise, that's pretty much all I have to say about this dish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be pumping them out at this pace now that I've kind of foregone the, or is that the word I'm looking for? I've thrown away the, the format. So it is what it is. Hopefully you guys liked it. I will see you guys on the next one.